Countries with the highest work hours for Indian students. The number of students studying abroad has peaked at 13.35 lakh, according to the latest government data, and this figure is growing each year. This increase also highlights the need for work opportunities to help manage student expenses. In Canada, international students can work up to 24 hours per week during the academic term and unlimited hours during holidays. Off-campus work is allowed for students with a valid study permit who are registered full-time at a designated learning institution. In the UK, international students are permitted to work up to 20 hours per week during term time and unlimited hours during scheduled holidays. In the United States, international students on F1 visas are allowed to work up to 20 hours per week during the academic year and up to 40 hours per week during breaks. In Australia, international students are permitted to work up to 48 hours every 2 weeks during the academic term, with no restrictions on hours during official breaks. In Germany, international students can work up to 20 hours per week during the academic term and full-time, or up to 40 hours per week during semester breaks. Generally, they are permitted to work for 120 full days or 240 half days annually. New Zealand allows international students to work up to 20 hours per week during the academic session and full-time during scheduled breaks. France allows international students to work up to 964 hours annually, which equates to about 20 hours per week during the academic year and full-time during university holidays. The Netherlands allows international students to work up to 16 hours per week during the academic term and full-time during the summer months, June, July, and August.